What's up, y'all? My name is Amandla Stenberg, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint your face like a jester, because y'all are some clowns. Just kidding. I'm going to be showing you how to do a New Year's Eve inspired look. So, we're going to start with this primer. Like so. It's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Getting us real silky smooth. Feels good as hell. So that you're good to go all night. I'm gonna use this hydrating longwear foundation. This is shade 310. It's winter time. Melanin levels be shifting. So I have combination skin, and I love to look like a glazed donut. And yeah, I can get a couple of dry spots here and there, so wearing a foundation that's hydrating is really dope for me. Am I looking dewy? Dewy? Look how cute this is. We're going to do the lip scrub now, so that by the time we get to the end of the look, the lips are all primed and ready to go. Smells like cocoa butter, shea butter, like my childhood. Ooh, I like that. We're just gonna wipe those babies off. We're gonna use the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm to hydrate and let that just kind of set and simmer. It's New Year's Eve. That means it's time to dance, it's time to party, and what we cannot be doing on New Year's Eve is having creases on our eyes. Absolutely not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this eye primer. To be specific, this is the Amplifying Eye Primer, Pro Filter. That's right. I wonder why girls always open their mouths when they do makeup. Like, I catch myself doing it, and I have no clue why. I'm like, gonna let that dry down. So I'm gonna be testing out my ability to do a dramatic ass eye, and we're gonna use this Moroccan Spice palette, and I want to use kind of like these blue colors, this white color right here. I think a little ombre effect would be cute, and give us something celebratory and evocative of New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this darker one as the close to my lash line color. I may or may not have gotten these braids to match this palette. I generally kind of go for like a sort of cat eye shape. That's cute though. So I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend as I'm going, making that gradient nice and smooth. We are all about the glitz and the glam this evening, if you couldn't tell. So I'm gonna use this color right here called Moroccan Ice to kind of highlight the inner corner of my eye out here and stuff, and finish off the rest of the shadow. And now we're gonna put on the eyeliner, which is called Fly Liner, and it is damn fly. Ugh, we got this. The cat eyeliner goes straight across in like a sharp way as opposed to just flipping up. There should be a triangle that's like goes all the way across instead of like kind of a dip down and up. I like to create straight across triangle. That was a cop-out. Full cop-out. But both eyes are done now. We can keep it moving. So for brows, we are going to use Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Dark Brown. Voila. Voila. This one is really cool because on the other side it has a paddle brush, and it just kind of helps you blur out the brow and just make it look even more natural. So now that the eye's all done, we can go ahead and add the concealer underneath the eye. We're going to use Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I'm using in 310. Sleep Deprivation. Diamond Bond 2. This one is called Holla at Me, spelled H-O-L-O. This stuff is so pretty. Get that cheekbone, yes. The other cheekbone and nose. And I like to also highlight right here. This is the Kabuki body brush. And now we're gonna put on some blush. Use a matchstick. Since they are multi-use, you can use them for whatever the heck you feel like. And this one is Beach Bum. So I'm gonna use this one. I really like kind of like a rose gold vibe for a blush. And I'm gonna finish this look with Mademoiselle I Quit. And it's this kind of like purpley brown color that I think will be cool with all the cool tones that we got going on. And to finish that off, I'm going to put this gloss on top. This is called Confetti, and it's from the Glossy Posse set. I really like that this also has kind of holographic vibes going, since that's our energy. Okay. One final thing, setting powder. I'm using the setting powder in the shade Banana. Dial it back. I would say this is a necessary step, because if we're gonna be dancing, we need this to stay. We can't do all this hard work just for all of it to sweat off. Drama. That is my New Year's Eve look. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful new year with joy, with grace, and with a bomb-ass look.